You've got a real slugfest here between two high-performance machines. As someone who's wrangled power systems and spent years in the HVAC trenches, I can tell you that those efficiency numbers aren't just for show. They represent how much strain you're taking off your electrical panel and your wallet. We're looking at the GE Profile AHTR12AC and the Black+Decker BD10NWES. Both are window-mounted units, but they're built with a different philosophy under the hood. The Black+Decker BD10NWES is a standard chassis window unit designed to cover about 450 square feet. It's a clean, white design that fits most double-hung windows without needing a specialized U-shape or casement setup. The GE Profile AHTR12AC is the bigger brother here, rated for up to 550 square feet. It uses GE's Easy Mount system, which is a favorite in the field because it keeps the unit secure and reduces those annoying vibrations. Now, let's talk tech. Both of these units use inverter compressors. In my nuclear electrician days, we hated inrush current, that massive spike of power when a motor slams on from a dead stop. Standard ACs do that all day. These inverters are different. They ramp up slowly and vary their speed to match the heat load exactly. The Black+Decker pulls a solid 15.0 SEER, but the GE Profile is the efficiency king here with a 15.4 SEER. That 15.4 rating makes it one of the most efficient 12,000 BTU units you can put in a window. Price-wise, you're looking at a gap. The Black+Decker usually lands between $420 and $1.90. It's a smart unit with a remote, but it's a more straightforward value play. The GE Profile is a premium piece of gear, often retailing between $550 and $600. For that extra money, you're getting ultra-quiet technology that drops the noise floor down to 40 dB, about the level of a quiet library, and full Wi-Fi integration through the SmartHQ app for voice control with Alexa or Google. Maintenance is non-negotiable if you want these to last. Both units have easy access washable filters. Pop them out and rinse them once a month. When it comes to the warranty battle, there's a clear winner. The Black+Decker offers a standard 1-year full unit warranty. GE steps up the game on the Profile AHTR12AC. While it has a 1-year limited warranty on the whole unit, it carries a 5-year guarantee on the compressor. In this industry, the compressor is the heart of the system. If it goes, the unit is usually scrap. Having that 5-year safety net is a massive advantage. Here is the verdict. If you are looking for the absolute best piece of equipment for a large room, the GE Profile AHTR12AC takes the trophy. Yes, it costs more up front, but that 15.4 SEER efficiency, the ultra quiet operation that won't wake the kids, and that 5-year compressor warranty make it a superior long-term investment. It's built like a tank and runs like a whisper. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com.